Massive search operation launched by the Indian Forces personnel in the Pahalgam area of the Islamabad district entered its fifth consecutive day today. The operation involved thousands of the personnel from the Indian Army, paramilitary forces and the police. Additionally, two Mi-17 helicopters from the Indian Air Force are providing continuous air surveillance over the dense forest of the Besaran and the surrounding areas in the Pahalgam. Pakistan's Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has categorically rejected India's baseless allegations following the recent Pahalgam incident, reaffirming Pakistan's principal stance on the Kashmir dispute and calling Kashmir the jugular vein of the nation. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif made these remarks while addressing the passing out ceremony of the cadets at the Pakistan Military Academy in Kakul. Indian forces have demolished the houses of 5 more Kashmiris in occupied Kashmir. Residential houses were razed to ground using the explosives. The demolished houses belong to the parents of Ehsan Ahmed Sheikh, Ehsanul Haq, Haris Ahmed in Pulwama, Zakir Ahmed Ganai in Kulgam, and Shahid Ahmed of the Chotipura area in Shopian district. Indian forces have arrested more than 175 Kashmiri youth during continued massive operations in different areas of the Islamabad district. The extensive coordinated search operations and house raids launched by the Indian Army, CRPF and the other forces have been underway since April 22nd, Pahalgam tragic incident. The Indian police spokesperson in a statement issued in Srinagar said that numerous raids have been carried out at the various locations throughout the district, with the day and night searches continuing unabated. Hundreds of the people staged a strong protest in the Bandipora district against the killing of a Kashmiri youth by the Indian troops in a staged encounter. The troops martyred the youth Altaf Lali in a fake encounter in the Kulnar Bazipura area of the Bandipora district on the Friday. The family of the martyred youth said that Altaf was picked up from his home by the Indian police 2 days prior to the incident.